Do you play any sports these days?
Yes, I play badminton twice a week.
That's great. I usually go to the gym.
How long have you been training there?
About 6 months now.
You already see results?
A little. I feel stronger and healthier.
That's the most important thing.
What made you start going to the gym?
I wanted to change my lifestyle.
That's a good decision.
What about you? Why badminton?
It helps me relax after work.
Do you play alone or with friends?
With friends. It's more fun that way.
I usually train alone.
Doesn't that feel boring sometimes?
A bit, but I enjoy the quiet focus.
Do you ever feel lazy and skip practice?
Of course, especially on rainy days.
Same here. It's hard to stay motivated.
What helps you keep going?
The feeling after a good workout.
Yes, that feeling is amazing.
Do you have a favorite sport to watch?
Football, without a doubt.
I prefer watching tennis.
Do you ever watch games together with friends?
Sometimes, especially big matches.
The atmosphere must be exciting.
Very much. Everyone shouts and cheers.
Do you want to join me at the gym sometime?
Maybe. And you can join my badminton game too.
That sounds fair.
We can try each other's sport.
I like that idea.
Sports really bring people together.
They also teach discipline and patience.
I'm glad we both enjoy being active.
Me too. Let's stay healthy together.
You're already here this early in the morning?
Yes, I try to run before work every day.
That's impressive. I can barely wake up early.
It took me weeks to get used to it.
How far do you usually run?
Around 3 kilometers.
That's a good distance.
Do you run at the same pace every day?
Not really. It depends on how I feel.
I always feel tired in the morning.
I did too at first.
What changed for you?
I wanted to have more energy during the day.
Did running help you with that?
A lot. I feel more focused at work now.
That sounds tempting.
Maybe I should start running too.
You should. We can run together.
I'm afraid I won't last even 1 kilometer.
Everyone starts that way.
Do you listen to music while you run?
Sometimes, but I prefer the sound of my breath.
That sounds very peaceful.
It is. It clears my mind.
What time do you usually go to sleep?
Around 11. I try not to stay up late.
That's another habit I need to fix.
Sleep is part of training too.
I never thought about it like that.
Your body needs rest to grow stronger.
Do you ever skip a run?
Rarely, only when I'm really sick.
You're very disciplined.
I'm just trying to be consistent.
What do you want to gain from running?
Better health and a stronger mind.
That's a great goal.
Maybe tomorrow will be my first run.
I'll be waiting for you here.
All right, I'll try my best.
I heard you stopped training for a while.
Yes, I injured my knee last month.
That sounds painful. How is it now?
Much better, but I'm still careful.
Did the doctor allow you to train again?
Yes, but only light exercises.
That's good news at least.
I was really afraid I couldn't come back.
It must have been hard to stay away from sports.
Very hard. Training is part of my life.
What kind of training are you doing now?
Mostly stretching and slow jogging.
That's a smart way to restart.
I don't want to get hurt again.
Did the injury change how you think about sports?
Yes, I learned to respect my limits.
That's an important lesson.
I used to push myself too hard.
Many athletes do the same.
Do you feel scared when you run now?
A little, especially at the beginning.
But you keep going anyway.
Yes, I don't want fear to stop me.
That takes courage.
What sport do you miss the most?
Playing football with my friends.
When do you think you can go back to that?
Maybe in 2 or 3 months.
That's not too long.
I hope so. I really miss the team spirit.
Have your friends been supportive?
Very much. They always check on me.
That must help your recovery a lot.
It does. It keeps me motivated.
Do you have any new goals after this injury?
To train smarter, not harder.
I like that goal.
I'll cheer for you on your first game back.
That means more to me than you know.
I believe you'll come back even stronger.
Tomorrow is my first competition, and I can't stop thinking about it.
Are you nervous?
Very nervous. My hands keep sweating.
That's totally normal before a race.
What if I perform badly?
Everyone worries about that at first.
You've trained for months. You're ready.
I hope so. I still doubt myself sometimes.
Doubt just means you care.
What kind of competition is it exactly?
A local 5-kilometer running race.
That's quite a challenge.
I've never run in front of so many people before.
Try not to think about the crowd. Focus on yourself.
I'll try, but it's easier said than done.
Are you running to win or just to finish?
Honestly, just to finish.
That's a very good goal for a first race.
What time does the race start?
At 6 in the morning.
That's early. You should sleep soon.
I know, but I'm too excited to sleep.
Did you prepare everything already?
Shoes, clothes, water, and my number tag.
That sounds well prepared.
What do you fear the most during the race?
Running out of energy halfway through.
If that happens, slow down and keep moving.
I'll remember that.
Will you be there to watch?
Of course, I wouldn't miss it.
That makes me feel more confident already.
I'll be cheering for you at the finish line.
That gives me even more motivation.
No matter the result, I am proud of you for trying.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
After the race, we should celebrate.
With a big breakfast.
Exactly. You'll deserve it.
Deal. I'll run with that in mind. I finally signed up for a swimming class today.
Really? I didn't know you were afraid of water.
I am. I panic easily in deep pools.
That's brave of you to face it.
I've been thinking about it for months.
What made you decide to start now?
I want to feel safer when I travel.
That's a very practical reason.
Are you learning in a big pool?
No, they start in a shallow one.
That sounds less scary.
How was your first lesson?
I was shaking the whole time.
But you stayed until the end.
Yes, I didn't want to quit.
I'm really proud of you for that.
The instructor was very patient.
That makes a big difference for beginners.
Did you try putting your face in the water yet?
Just for a few seconds.
That's already a great first step.
I still held my breath too tightly.
You'll learn how to breathe properly with time.
I hope so. My heart was racing so fast.
Were there many other learners with you?
Yes, and most of them were scared too.
That must have made you feel less alone.
It did. We encouraged each other.
Do you have another class this week?
Yes, 2 more sessions.
Are you excited or nervous about them?
Both, honestly.
Fear usually means you're growing.
I like that way of thinking.
Do you have a goal for swimming yet?
To swim 1 full lap without stopping.
That's a perfect beginner's goal.
I'll tell you when I achieve it.
I'll be waiting for the good news.
Thank you for believing in me.